Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I suggest we extend Russian vocabulary on traveling topic. So, if you're planning to visit Russia, keep watching this video. As I said, today we're talking about Russian phrases for traveling. And as I think, the most important part of traveling is eating out. So today's video is about Russian restaurant vocabulary for travelers. Well, let's get started. The first phrase is «Можно столик на двоих, пожалуйста?» Table for two, please. Or «Можно столик на троих, на четверых, либо пятерых?» Depends on the company. The next phrase «Меню, пожалуйста» or «Можно мне меню, пожалуйста?» If you're ready to make an order, you may say «Мне, пожалуйста», and after that, whatever you chose. The next phrase, if you're allergic to something, you may say «У меня аллергия на», and after that, you mention what exactly you are allergic to. For example, «У меня аллергия на арахис» или «У меня аллергия на молоко». The phrase number 5. «Можно мне стакан воды» or молока or стакан сока. If you want to order wine, it's better to say «бокал вина», because in Russian, glass has two meanings, бокал and стакан. Next phrase is «Можно мне чашку чая» or coffee, in case if you prefer coffee. The phrase number 7 is «У вас есть вегетарианские блюда?» After the order is made, you may also ask «Какой пароль от Wi-Fi?» If you've been waiting for your order for quite a long time, you may ask a waiter «Простите, когда будет готов мой заказ? Я уже долго жду». And if your order is arrived and it's not exactly what you asked for, you may say «Простите, но это не то, что я заказывал» if you're a man, or «не то, что я заказывала» if you're a woman. To ask for a check, you may say «Простите, можно счет, пожалуйста?» If you want to pay by credit card, I suggest you say «Я могу заплатить кредитной карточкой» or just «Я могу заплатить карточкой». And now let's look at a few more useful words in topic of restaurants and cafe. For example, cash – это наличные. If you want to ask about tips, you should ask about чаевые. Change – это сдача. For example, if you pay with cash, you might need to wait for your change. So, ждать сдачу. Wait for change. For change. Very well, and let's discuss a few words about food in Russian. Just in case if the restaurant you're in doesn't have any menu in English, only menus in Russian. So what exactly you will be looking at? Chicken – это курица. Beef – говядина. Pork – свинина. Fish – рыба. Seafood – это морепродукты. Dessert – это десерт. And the last one, drinks – это напитки. Well, that was my top 20 the most important Russian phrases about restaurants for travelers. And by the way, are you planning to visit Russia anytime soon? If yes, let me know in the comments below where would you go first. А я на этом с вами прощаюсь. Благодарю за внимание и до нового видео. Пока-пока.